Welcome you all to the video lecture on understanding quadrilaterals, chapter number 3.4, problem number 3. So here they have asked that explain how a square is a quadrilateral, a parallelogram, a rhombus, a rectangle. Okay. So first of all, quadrilateral is one which has 4 sides. Okay. So definitely square also has what? 4 sides. So we can say that a square has a quadrilateral. Okay. So square has 4 sides. Okay, hence it is a quadrilateral. Okay, so quadrilateral is one which has 4 sides. Okay, square also has 4 sides. So I can say that square has 4 sides, hence it is called as a quadrilateral. Okay, and then what about the parallelogram property? Parallelogram is one which has opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. Okay, similarly square also has what? Square has opposite sides parallel and equal in length. Okay. So it is a parallelogram. Square I can name it as a parallelogram. Okay. And then what about the rhombus? Rhombus, all sides are equal. All 4 sides are equal. Okay. So square also has 4 sides equal. Okay. So what I can say? Square has all 4 sides equal. Okay, so it is a rhombus. Okay, what about the rectangle? Rectangle is one, opposite sides are equal and all the angle, each angle is right angle. Okay, each angle is right angle and opposite sides are equal. So this condition is also satisfied in square, right? Opposite sides are equal and all the angles are right angle in square. So square has opposite sides equal and each angle is right angle. Okay, so it is a rectangle. So square can be called as a quadrilateral, square can be a parallelogram, square can be a rhombus, square can be a rectangle. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.